44. Don't know, dude. They got a good pace going here tonight. Ice Lords versus Ginoogaming Capitals. Ice Lord, mother. There's Royce Abraham, number 18. His dirty head glasses. He's hopping here, guys. You better tell the crowd to keep it quiet. Someone whacked Royce's stick and cracked it. Now they got penalty. There it is, boys. Goodness, now the swearing is beginning. Ice Lord, mother.
Whatever, I guess. This has been should have been there. This one
Are you alive?
No.
Just recording?
Recording it. So we got a lot of edits after. Washington Capitals put it in the net. I mean, Ginoogaming Winter Hawks. I did not see who got the tally, but it is 1-0 Ginoogaming. don't hurt anybody.
Looking for some donations for her stick.
17 could not poke it home. They're jamming it away here, boys. This is a barn burner. There they go, there they go. Oh, he missed this kid on that one. Oh, there's the elbows coming out. The good old Ginoogaming elbows. There it is. Takes it back, regroups, back to Nolan. Oh, there it is. A good, nah. Oh, another penalty coming against the New York Rangers. Make up his own team. We're going to a commercial break. He's number 31. He's a lethal part of this team. I heard he could bench press 125 pounds. For a big boy. I'm sorry about the dirty glass. They put me in a cheap seat here. There it is. A shot. Let's go. Hello. Number 20. Who the hell is that? Good goal, buddy. Good goal, good goal. Look at these guys celebrating as they go back to the bench. That's how you do it in Ginoogaming. I can hear someone yelling way at the end over there.
We can make ice hockey.
Yeah, it's I think his name is Kyle Dorr. Kyle Dorr is yelling around over there, man. He took a tumble in the back. That's what you call effort. 100% effort. And he swallows that shot up like a last call at the bar. Yeah. Oh, make up later. I'm gonna edit that out later. In post. The Ice Lords are putting on a little pressure here, trying to get back into this game. Down 2 goals. But Don Cherry says the worst lead you could have is 2 goals. And then he got fired from CBC.
Ice Lords and Ice Hawks.
Ice Lords and Ice Hawks. Ginoogaming Ice Hawks and Ice Lords. I get it in there. Here's our cool. We got Roseanne here as a co-commentator, coming all the way from Long Lake 58. Here it is. Oh, that's a loose rebound. Nobody couldn't get their hand on it. Oh, I got some fast players on the team. There we go. It's a good rush. It's a good rush. That's a good rush. There we go. Straight on the line. Shot. Oh, baby. There we go. Straight on the line again. That's a good whack. That'll keep you guys awake in this late night game. Shot. Sing. Shot. Let's go. There you go. Nice hop. Yeah, no, they're dangerous. So, baby. That is one heck of a goal. Garbage goal in my books, but one heck of a goal. I wish I knew some people on the Ice Lords so I could name them. Well, there they go again. Getting help from my co-commentator there, Roseanne. There we go. The guy went that's a Montreal Expos hat. Oh, just wide.
I was going to say,
I think he flipped on his own. It wasn't a smooth foot. That stays in play. The pressures are coming on now. End of the first period. Ice Hawks are beating the Ice Lords 3-1. Or is it 3-zip?
yeah.
Oh, what game? We hear our co-commentator acting smart over there. We got an editor out of. She's no longer part of our company. So that's reason.
Barging your way in. Yeah.
She's been barging her way in on other telecasts we hear. There they are, getting together. I'm not too sure who their coach is, but is that Calvin? Oh, wait, watch out.
Last carrier there is ball. Don't even.
Okay, here we go. Start of the second period, baby. Yeah, no, they're dangerous. Ice Hawks win the face-off. There is literally no commercials on my show, so you don't have to worry about hearing about tampons or hearing about condoms or hearing about Ferraris. We have no commercials on our show. That's an icy. I do believe. We're gonna have an interview with Roseanne, our co-commentator, after. Oh, she's being nosy over there. I don't know what she's doing. You know, this camera could record for 10 hours straight.
Oh, yeah? On one battery?
Yep. So I'll be sitting here till tomorrow morning.
See stuff moving?
Ghosts? I see some ghosts in here.
Must be pretty serious.
Good.
Yeah?
A lot of whistles going on here. Sorry, I have to check my phone there for a second.
Luke is wearing two different. I'm getting sore back standing up here. There they go. There it is. Shot tipped wide. It's a breakout. Oh, I just stopped. There we go. Come on. Red, baby. Can't keep up with this here so fast. Oh, Anthony. He followed him right out of the net. That's crazy. I second that. Holy shit. Holy machineries was there. Starting on right again. There it is. Oh, it's a dollar in front of the net. There it is. Shot. Oh, a low one.
Looking for the garbage. Penalty's over. Penalty's over. He's coming in like a madman.
Oh, it's Sterling.
What if my camera's not even recording now?
Getting so fast.
All that work for dick walls or just
All those good one-liners.
all those good one-liners, you know? Máquina. I think it's recording, gotta be. Gotta be. Here we go. We're putting on a little bit of pressure here at Iceberg. There it is, flying around in every aspect of the meeting. Oh, sucks it up like a soap sponge. Sucking up beer at a party. Oh, party metaphors. You know.
Having his own party up this.
Nobody's even watching them. So I entertain myself at home. With the camera? Hey, hey, hey. I hope you know that's on camera. Oh, he's a little bit woozy.
That's what Chris was fighting that time.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, we're part of that.
He's a tough guy. On his own elements, got back off. Oh, now this is a game here, guys.
Because he's a Hicham.
Why? Who was that?
Thailand.
Kylan?
Yeah.
Shake it off. Oh, they're getting back down to the nitty gritty here again. I don't even know if my camera is recording correctly. Oh, okay. We're back. Oh, baby. A lot of chirping going on in the benches. There's the Rangers coming in. Ice, large shot. That was a good chance. Another shot. Oh, baby. Another shot. Oh, pandemonium. You know this is fight night tonight, baby. Oh, wide of the net. Just to let you know, I would have scored that goal if I was playing. Back in the day. That's ice. No, that's an ice age. Well, I guess you could change on Bush League.
I mean, I'm happy.
Shot. Oh, deadly. Here they come. They're starting to gain some control back again. Jinxed it for them. The Ice Lords have struck. Ah, there's someone booing in this crowd. The Ice Lord have got one down. We are going to have a game. Number 18, the Ice Lords. Looks a little chunky. We're at the 4-minute mark of the second period. And it seems like the Ice Lords are just gaining back their momentum. There it is. Shot. Didn't even get the shot. Hey, sorry if I missed little shots once in a while. I gotta navigate by looking above the camera sometimes. But I can verify that was a good shot. So just to let you know out there, I am the cameraman, the audio guy, the editor, the commentator, the producer, and the owner of my own television show from Boozoo Productions. Oh, baby! That just missed the net. What happened there? Oh, they're waving me down. They want to go back to the cameras. There you go, there you go. Might have a break here. Nope. Oh, get me. the halfway point of the game. And this is one hell of a game here. We got the Ice Lords facing the Ice Hawks, Ginoogaming. Ice Hawks are leading 3-1. But the Ice Lords have seemed to be getting their legs back. I think they're doing lines of coke on the bench. I think we're gonna leave that out after. Go back to the baby guys. Uh-oh. That's a shot on net. Uh-oh. Shot. That is a good stop by the Vizor. Oh, baby. I think the Ice Hawks are starting to turn the tables again and putting deep in the zone and keeping some pressure against those pesky ice dogs, ice lords, ice dogs. Someone's hungry. Shot! There was a whistle before the shot. Goaltender interference. Something. I think they're taking both of them. Goalie interference. Oh, I was correct. Like the usual. This guy interfering with the goaltender, can't do that, even in the Bush League. There we go. Uh-oh. Yeah, no, those blue liners like to strangle that line. Oh, that was a close one. Now we're going to shot. That ends the second period with the score 3 for the Ice Hawks, 1 for the Ice Lords. Can't talk that, Nishnabbe.
One word a day.
I'm not that good. Beijekita. Shot.
Did you see that?
Yeah, Cree. They do Cree.
It was Minnesota. Oh, and
Was it Ojibwe? Could you please not bug the commentator? I'm just joking. Oh, that guy is. I don't have good lines with that. Oh, baby. You gotta think that this game is gonna come down to the wire. With both teams going at it toe to toe. Camel toe to camel toe. Oh, here we go. Hey, shoot! Shot! There you go! Put it in there! Oh, baby! Right on the bottom of the cellar. Yeah, it's the way they do it in Ice Hawk Town. Score is 4-1. I think my telecast is 100 times better than that freaking T-Bay tel camera right there. You see that white thing up there? That's a freaking camera T-Bay tel's using. You can't even make out people's faces with that. With mine, you could see people's zits.
Hickeys.
Hickeys. There's a lot of guys on the ice getting caught by their girlfriends. Got hickeys. There they go. There they go. Oh, baby. Shot. Oh, man. Yes, these guys are turning it up a notch. There it is. Shot. Wide. Ooh, baby. Oh, bouncy one. There's the Ice Lords coming back. Oh! Off the post, I think. That's what I thought too. Oh, my camera just crooked. Oh, this one's coming down. 10 minutes left in the game here. And this is a do-or-die game. We're in the quarterfinals. Tomorrow, the team will play tomorrow in the semifinals Sunday morning.
I see. I realized.
Sunday morning. Oh, they're getting letters. Oh, the Ice Lords are seemingly trying to get back into the... Clawing their way back. Oh, they're getting rowdy.
Take two. He's taking two.
Oh.
Yeah, they're both going.
There's a call here. Sorry for the interruption. I think they're going to take two from this one. Two people getting rowdy in the corner. Or no, one. Ice Hawks get the penalty. Oh, they are taking two.
And the third guy in there is going to shoot it.
Yeah, they're trying to argue there, but they're not going to get through to this ref. This ref has been calling a good game so far. Oh, we hear some yells over there from Kyle, Killer Kyle, we call him. Oh, my cameraing is getting a little more lazy as the as the game goes on. I apologize to my viewers ahead of time. I'm talking a little bit too much. Yeah, that's Killer Kyle over there yelling around. Oh, Ice Lords. They are trying to stay in this game. I think one more goal against the Ice Lords, I think that'll put some ice on this game. I mean, I think they'll put this game on ice. Oh, here they go. I think they're arguing with Killer Kyle. Wow, well, we got a penalty out of that scrum. I think they're just going to take one from the crowd right now to teach everyone a lesson. That's the old Andy Van Helmen trick. A good stop by Kolzig. Olaf Kolzig.
And a foul now.
There you go. That was a tip into the crowd. I'd just like to formally state that I'm running for mayor of Thunder Bay. I got to go. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Hard shot. There it is. Again, they're straddling the line. They're keeping it in. Oh, breaks it up. Dumps it down. Oh, here we go. We got the co-owner, Calvin Manuel. Calvin Taylor. Look at that. Gets it out. Gets it out. Saved by the ice box tender. Oh, baby. That guy deserves a drink after the game. Oh, baby. Just to let you know, I've been sober for 14 years. Another shot on net. They're applying the pressure outwards with 6 minutes to go. This is a do or die game. There they go. Hemming it in penalty? I'm not too sure. Another penalty to the Ice Hawks. They might as well just... No, it's going to the Ice Lords. The penalty is going to the Ice Lords. I think frustration is kicking in now. And there's going to be another game after this game, but I'm not going to be recording that one. That's too freaking late for this game.
Someone's got to hand the vote again.
There they go. I think you're using this power play more for killing of the time rather than scoring another goal. I think that's pretty smart on the Ice Hawks. Wild tonight, baby. Oh, point blank. That is a good stop by the tender. Now they're turning it into emergency mode here. They need something. They need it fast. Been sitting there for the rest of the time now. Oh! That goaltender is he's doing not bad tonight, but there's a couple bad bounces on him. The Visa, I call him. Here we go. 3:08 left to play in this third period. Ice Hawks are leading by 3 goals. Looking to cash in again. Tried that dangle by him. There we go, down to 2 minutes. This is looking bleak to say the least for the Ice Lords. A once dynamic dynamo at the Goodwill tournament might seed out in the quarterfinal. Oh, baby. A shot. Good stop by the leader. Keeping his team in it for the most part. $127 to go in the game. And I think this may be it. We got a couple chirpers there. There's a couple of chirpers here, which always comes to play when the frustration set in. When the frustration set in, they kick them. We're hearing chants to kick them out. That's what we're hearing from our co-commentator Roseanne over there. Wow, she's really giving it to them. Yeah, oh, the ref is even threatening. Hey, you don't talk about my wife with us. They decide to keep him in a box. He's not going to kick out. So I think this is all but over. Just going to let these 127 seconds to time out, and I think the Ice Hawks are moving on to the semifinals tomorrow. Time, I don't know, but I will be live again with the game. Yeah, they're just going to play this one out and let her be just the way it is. It has been a good telecast. Only bad one is I didn't say one of the good lines. Yeah, my co-commentator's he's got me on camera. Look at. See, I can do that too. Say hi, everybody. Yeah, this game is all but sealed. Waiting for a little bit more time. Oh, the Visor's throwing up some things. 38.8 seconds left. This one might be in the books. That is a good game played by the Ice Hawks. A very strategical attack against the Ice Lords, who are infamous for great hockey player and great puck control. But the crying now. 10 seconds to go. We're going to end this one on a dirty window here. Three, two, one. That's the game. The Ice Hawks have taken the game. They're quite dangerous. We'll wait and see who they play in the semifinals. I think it's after this next game. A good game and a good night to you at home. This is Bourgeois Productions, Sterling, signing out. Get your pets spayed and neutered. Good game, boys. Good game. That's some good sportsmanship. That's what hockey is all about.
I know.